If someone is speaking to you or dealing with you badly, you have to return it with good. What we learn in Islam, what we learn in the Quran, and what the Prophet Muhammad SAW explained us, never return the evil with evil. Kung gagawin na isang tao masama sa'yo, huwag na gagawin ng masama, gagawin mo mabuti. Hanggang na yung, sabi ng Allah, hanggang na yun ng, yung kalaban mo, maging kaibigan mo. Yan ang mensahe sa Quran. So, that's very important topic, and it can destroy all the evils in the world. People are fighting to each other for small words, and the words become very dangerous. I'll give you one example. Novaliches Cemeterio, tungkol sa parking, isang lalaki at isang babae magsalita. Yung babae buntis. Yung lalaki, galit siya dahil na yung babae na masamang salita, mumurahin siya. Yung lalaki, galit masyado. Hindi siya control yung galit niya. Anong gagawin niya? Kunin niya yung baril dun sa sasakyan, tapos barilin siya yung babae na buntis. Patay na. Yung babae na buntis at yung bata sa loob, patay sila dalawa dahil sa salita lang. Kung kahit saan ka, kahit sa parking ka o kahit saan ka sa mall, kahit saan banda, kung may tao sa'yo masama, wag na yung palit yung masama niya, galing sa'yo masama din, hindi. Mabuti. Okay? So that can subside the reaction. Reaction is masyadong mahirap yung reaction. Kung siya yung masama salita sa'yo, ikaw magtahimik ka na lang, wag na lang galit, tapos sabihin mo magandang salita, tapos na yung away. Kung ikaw din may nitulo, tapos magsalita ka na masama, maging away na yun, maging malaki na yung bagay na yun. So what is Quran is teaching us, idfa billati hasan, return it with the good. Return the evil with good, and don't return the evil with evil. This world today is full of trouble because of this problem. Even the wars happening because of the words. Speaking and then speaking with the bad words, and people are starting to fight. All world is a big phenomena. When one side is evil, other side is trying to be evil, the two evils make more evil. It will multiply evil. So what is you cut the evil. When somebody is dealing with you evil, somebody is talking with you evil, don't do the evil, don't talk the evil. Rather talk good and do good. Then you can eliminate the troubles in the world. You will make this earth peaceful. Maging kapayapaan yung mundo kung lahat na tao sumunod ito. Na return the evil with good. Don't return the evil with evil.